Hi everyone, I'm Chanel from Stamping Stilettos, and I'm here today to show you how to change your expander discs on your Happy Planner. Now this is my Happy Planner junk journal, which I do have a video on how to make this Happy Planner junk journal, and I will put the link in the description. And it is so super easy, let me just grab this, to change your rings. Now the Happy Planner has 3 different sizes of rings: small, medium, and then you also have large. These were from my original mini Happy Planner, which you can see I have upgraded to the medium ones because I've just put so much in it. So I had the small ones left over. This is how I made my junk journal, but you can actually buy extra discs. So I have some medium ones here that I bought from Happy Planner, and I think these were £3.33 for a set. So oops, these are the rings, and let me show you how easy it is to transfer everything over. So I do the covers first. So we're just going to, the trouble is I overfilled my junk journal, got carried away, as you do. So I find it easier to get your front and your back cover. So we're just going to do this. And these are so easy to do. You just literally just clip them in. I'm just going to put these in here. Yes, I'm Happy Planner addicted. I just can't get enough. And now I've discovered junk journals. Oh my goodness me. Right, okay. So that's your front and your back. And then, oops, what you want to do is I just go from, in order really. So now you can do one at a time, or you can take a couple. Now if they're all the same size, it's a bit easier to do more than one, but I find when you've got these different sizes, because it's a junk journal, we have all of these different sizes of pages. Let's have a look here. Plus I'm trying to remember where I've put them, because obviously they're not all using the same holes. Look at her, she's so cute. Let's have a look, see if we can do a couple at once. Well, probably not, because they are all different sizes. So I was trying to be clever then. Let's do it as we thought with the excuse me. And as you can see, I've used just everything I can get my hands on in this junk journal, but just such a super way to use. I mean, this was a piece of is it acetate, isn't it? Oh, my brain's gone dead. And then I've just put a Happy Planner sticker and some washi tape on that. And that, I didn't really know what to use that on, so at least I've got to use it. And some lovely textured card there. And like I said, if these were all the same sizes, you'd be able to transfer this a lot quicker, because you can do more than one page at once. But it really doesn't take long. I should have really done it ages ago when I knew that it was getting filled up, because I know what I'm like. Love this. This is just a little gift bag used as a pocket. I did have to reinforce the sides with washi tape because it was just too thin. Right, let's see. I should be able to get the 2 on this time because they're the same size. And as you can see, this isn't finished yet. I'm still a work in progress. I try and do a video every time I add a few things to it. Like this has got to have some mats put on it. I'm going to do something, really dress that one up. So I knew that this was going to get much bigger. That's without photos and that being added to it as well. Another one of my favourite, these are Project Life cards, and they're just like little secret windows. Where did I put that? There. No, that one I put up here, didn't I? See, I was talking then and I wasn't concentrating. Oh, come on. I'm also having a bit of a gorgeous obsession going on as well. I rediscovered my gorgeous stamps and things that had sat in a box for a while, which is such a shame. We all have so many beautiful craft things that we just forget about. And gorgeous was one of them. How could I forget you, you lovely thing? I do not know. Great way to use your envelopes that are lying around. Excuse me, I've just got so many envelopes. And I found this one and thought it looked gorgeous. Excuse me. This was a little aperture card that I hadn't used, so I thought I would use it as a little photo frame sort of thing. And you know, you could have put your own photo in it, but I decided to put another gorgeous in there. We have another gift bag, and I've folded over the bottom, and then it gives you a couple of pockets there. Got to add some ribbon to those tags, so I've still got quite a bit to do in here. And this one is my paper corners, which book page corners, which I just love. Gives your planners character. Project Life cards, oh my gosh. Those were another thing I had sat in a drawer and didn't use, and since I've been doing my planners and journals, I've used loads of them. In fact, I've ordered some more. Oh dear. Happy Planner stickers, just use them all the time. Can't be without them. Another envelope. This was an old brown envelope, and I do like the brown envelopes in the junk journals. And I've just put some washi tape on, and look, you've got your little pocket, and I'm gonna put a mat on that as well. The lovely gorgeous dies. Oh, just love them. Oh, I'm going to have so much more room in this planner now, which means I can add more pages. And then I might have to go up to an even bigger. Uh-oh. We have trouble. Mr. Bing has just decided to make some noise. Bing, what are you doing? See, I'm going to have to put some, reinforce that with washi tape. So you can see I've got quite a few little jobs to do in this planner, but it's a work in progress. And I think as we work through our junk journals, or even as you're, you know, adding and writing things to it, you think, oh, I could do that with it. And oh, do you know what I've done? What did I just do then? I have not put them in order, have I? It does not matter, as it's a junk journal. It doesn't matter what order it is in. Gosh, I'm really not with it, am I? It doesn't matter. I should have put that in order. But it's a junk journal, everyone. So look, it doesn't matter what order it's in. But I should have worked from back to front. Oh dear goodness me. See, I'm not, it's not one of my videos unless I make a blooper or I do something wrong. Never mind. Let's put all these over here. The thing is, you can switch the pages around as you want to, so it doesn't really matter. You know why? It's because I was talking and not concentrating, and I was just happily adding these pages in. Because I had too many pages in, the ends have got a little bit bent, so oh, there we go, the rings have all come off now. And that leaves these little mini rings that I can use for another planner project anyway. Right, we're going to have to... You can see, because these are all the same size, these are easier to get on. So look, we've just done 3 in one go there. Okay. Look at this. This was just something I picked up from our scrap store. It's used as a pocket. You can use anything with the Happy Planner punch. You can just turn any page into an insert. I will probably end up moving some of this back to other thing, but it does not matter. And look, there you go. And I have so much more room. It's all going around really easy now. And that will give me, I'm not going to probably add any more pages to this, but I do have, you know, mats that I want to put on, or if you want to add a photo, it obviously makes it thicker. Here I need to cover, you know, I've got quite a few bits and pieces to do, so this will now allow me the space to do that. But look at that. That's made my junk journal so much better. And that's how easy it is. Oh, look, I've got 2 pages here, which I didn't know what to do with. This was from, I think we've all went through that phase of the adult colouring. So I thought, you know what, I just never had the time to sit and do it. So I thought, well, I could actually turn some of these into planner pages and then colour in a little bit to give it colour, like this one has been coloured in. And I thought, you know what, it's sat in a book, I don't see it, so what I'm going to do is add it to my journal to give my journal a bit of colour. And then if you get bored one day and you sat, you could always colour one of these in. Give you something to do. Right, where should we add this pretty page? I want to add it, no, not there. Let's have a look. Where can we add you? Oh, here, look. You can add that just there. It's got a bit crumpled because I don't have enough space there. So it just gives it a little bit of colour. I don't know, I might do something else with that, but we'll see. But this is what I love about the junk journal. Look, you've got all different sizes. Got little pull-out pages. Oh my gosh, I've used so many scraps in this journal, but there is another video on the scrap journals. But I hope you've enjoyed that. I did waffle on a little bit too long there. And another book to add to my Happy Planner books. And look, I have more discs to make another little junk journal. So I'm gonna go off and find some junk and some scraps now. But thank you for watching. Hope you've enjoyed that, and I shall see you all very soon. Take care. Bye bye.